Hey, so last puzzle was fun. I guess I will sit in balcony for some time.
You know, you are so lucky to at least be in a hill station like Manali. It is almost like a vacation for you.
Muthu, the grass is always greener on the other side.
Okay, anyways, I was going to cook lunch. Should we connect after that?
Yeah, sure. What are you cooking today?
I'm going to cook vegetable stew. Learned it on YouTube some time back.
Hey, that's a good idea. I think I will cook that too. In fact, race you for that.
You know that is unfair competition, right?
Oh, come on. We are not talking about taste here. Just who cooks fastest. Let's take Vikram online and let him be the judge of it.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey Vikram, me and Muthu are having a cooking competition and you will be the judge.
Oh, okay, sure. But my fees would be one puzzle each from both of you. So who do you think will cook fastest and why? Would it be Muthu? Or would it be Tina?
Of course, I cook faster, Tina. You forgot that you are at height and water starts boiling at lower temperature on heights, so it takes more time to cook.
Oh yes, silly me. I completely forgot. And for our viewers, it does not matter how much heat you increase, water temperature can't go beyond boiling temperature.
Yes, because beyond boiling temperature, it can only become vapor. Okay, now let's get on with those riddles we were talking about, guys.
If you need more time, just pause the video. Hey guys, I have 10 friends and 10 bananas in a basket. I give a banana to all in a way that each one gets one banana. Yet, one banana remains in the basket. How is that possible? One banana still remained in the basket because I gave the last banana with the basket to the last friend. You have 3 bags full of 10 mangoes. Each mango is 200 grams, except one bag which has all 190 grams. If you had just one coin to weigh just once, how would you find out which bag has underweight mangoes? The total weight of the mangoes should be 2 kgs plus 2 kgs plus 2 kgs equals to 6 kg. But one of the bag has all 190 grams. You would remove one mango from the first bag, 2 mangoes from the second and 3 mangoes from the third bag. Now check the difference in the total weight. If the difference is 1190 grams, then it's the first bag. If the difference is 1180 grams, then it's the second bag. If the difference is 1170 grams, then it's the third bag.
rotis at a time in a pan and each side takes 3 minutes to cook. It should take me how much time to cook 4 rotis?
Simple. It should take you 12 minutes. 6 minutes for the first 3 rotis and 6 minutes for the fourth one.
Could you possibly make all the roti cook faster?
Interesting. I think yes, we can. Let's call all rotis R1, R2, R3 and R4. So for each 3 minutes, I will cook as below. R1, R2, R3 first and then rotate and turn the rotis R2, R3, R4 and now R4 and R1 in the last 3 minutes.
And that is exactly how we can cook in 9 minutes instead of 12. Great!
Let's say I give you 2 metal coins, both same size, same weight, and ask you to drop them in a glass with water. First, steel glass with 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, copper glass with 32 degrees Celsius. In which glass would the coin sink faster? Definitely copper glass, because at 32 degrees Fahrenheit the water would have become ice.
Hey, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it too.
Then please press the like button.
And subscribe now or you will miss the next video.